So this is the dip powder kit from Azurebeauty. I'm going to zoom out a little bit. So this is the dip powder kit from Azurebeauty. And this is how it comes in this pink box. Love it. I love pink. Alright, so you get 2 extra brushes, and then you get a file, and then it comes with this instructions for the dip powder kit. Alrighty, so let's go over what's in here. So this one right here, this is a dip powder base. This is number 2. This is a dip powder activator. Can't get it out. Okay. This is number 3, and this is the dip powder gel top. Alright, and then you have this brush. And then your dip powders. Alright, so this is number 36. It doesn't have names. Then we have this one, which is 226. Then we have this one, which is 252. And then we have this one, and this is 286. So I am getting ready to try these out. Okay, so I would like to say thank you to Azurebeauty, the people who reached out to me and sent me this kit. This kit was very easy to use. At first I was kind of confused, but you have the instructions right here, and it tells you exactly what to do. You're going to put your base coat on first, and then you're going to dip the nail, let it dry, and then you're going to put the base coat on again, and then you're going to dip it and let it dry. And then once that dries, you put the activator on, and then after the activator, you put the top coat on. So that's basically what I am doing here. I'm not going to repeat it and tell you over and over again. It's pretty simple to follow the instructions. So this was my first time using a dip kit, and I really enjoyed it and had a lot of fun using this. But I would probably try this again with my real nails. I want to grow out my real nails and try the kit. These were glued on nails, and so it didn't really stick to it like I believe it would stick to my real nails. But I have fun trying out this kit, so I'm just going to do my nails, and you can sit here and watch me do this. I'm just showing you a review and an overview of how to use the kit. And I forgot to tell you, but this is the holiday kit that they sent me. So this is like the Christmas colors. It had the red, the white, and the glitters in it. So I will have a link provided in my description box, and you can check it out. This would be a perfect self-care gift for somebody for Christmas. So check out this nail dip kit from Azurebeauty. I'm doing some more on this hand just to update you. You're just doing the same thing, you know, the base coat, dipping it, the base coat, then the activator, and then the top coat, and just repeating the same thing. And I would like to say thank you to Azurebeauty again for sending me this kit to try it out. This is what the results looks like. Very pretty. This was pretty good for my first time because I've never done this before. I want to do more videos like this on my channel, so stay tuned for some more self-care type stuff, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye bye.